Hey everybody, we're back on the bus again. We are framing walls in right now. This is a huge step. As you can see, these are the bunk beds right here that are getting started. This is gonna be Lily's bed right here. We have the dog kennel underneath on the side here. We have our first wall for the refrigerator that's gonna go tucked in right over here as we begin to frame out the bathroom. My guy Shane is working with me. Awesome carpenter, steel worker, metal worker, the whole 9 yards. And of course, in the very back, we have a queen size bed that we're working on right now that's going to be on a pull out platform. So, hey, still working on the bus for all those that's following us. Our due date is to try to get it done by May. And then we'll see you next time. Also, we're going to be doing a raffle really soon. We're giving away we're not giving away nothing. I'm sorry. We're raffling away a 43-inch flat screen LED television. Second place will be a propane hot water heater. Also, all brand new, all still in the box, and then a New Orleans gift package for third place. And those raffle tickets will be $5. Just check on my page and my channel for that again for everybody in the schooling community. All right, save the Falkor. We're out.